I was going to walk through some changes we've made to our timesheet, daily timesheet, and lone worker job briefing. So I'm going to walk through those. Everybody's been asking for an editable version, so this is a good attempt at an editable version. We'll go to my Nextcloud account, pull those up. These will be in a different location than they are today. I just need to get approval, but they'll be where they always are under our ESK shared, ESK docs. Then you'll see them located right in here. Instead of a PDF, they'll have an Excel similar to this, or they'll have a numbers a little bit different than the PDF, something we can work with. So I'm going to do that here. For today, I've just got them under approval until once they get approved. Today, we're going to be going over the numbers one. Very similar, the exact same form, just in different formats. One's for your Excel for those who are not Mac users. This can also be done on your phone or iPad. Either one of these versions, you'll just need to get the Excel or get the numbers app on your phone or iPad, and you'll be able to walk right through this, very similar to what we're doing here on the computer today. For me, I'm working on a Mac, so I'm going to go ahead and download that form from our shared file, and I'll go open it up, and here it is. Okay, so I'm going to zoom in here. We'll take a look at them and see what's going on. So as I zoom in here, this is the form that we look at. This is very similar to one we do currently. So we'll put in our date here. Of course, today's 9/29. Over here. All right, once we go here, then here's be our drop down. So once you go over here, you can drop down. You choose your name. Those are the current employees we have now. If you do not, or you accidentally clicked in one that you didn't want to click on, just go back to none. If you go in here and you have a name in there, so say I click on Billy Cipriani, that's not what I want. If I click delete here, it'll delete all the formulas and some of the data running in the background to make this happen. So if you do that, just close out of it, don't save it, and go back and get the original format. I don't want to lock these, and numbers you actually can't lock the cells, so we can make a mess if we do a lot of quick clicking and deleting. So if you just go back here, click on whoever you want, or just click on none, and that'll leave that cell blank. Okay, for me it's going to be Brad. Of course our time will go in over here, that's just a type. Right here we can click on our down arrow, and then I can start searching locations. So we'll keep this up to date with what locations we're working on, whether it's let's say for this instance it's a Rayford 230 sub, then that'll go there, and so on and so forth with the drop down menus here. Okay, the check boxes, these are typed cells. The check boxes, once I check, this will change to yes. If I leave it alone, then of course it'll just say not applicable and continue on that way. Typed here, same as the check boxes here, yes, those type of things whenever you check those boxes. For first aid kits in our vehicle, then we'll check that box, and this will be not applicable. I just did an inspection and didn't use my gloves that day. So under project name, that goes here, and then of course do project manager will go in the lower down here. Okay, so once I click on that, then I'll also click on anything in blue, then we have a drop down menu for that. Okay, work description, normally inspection, but it can be meeting, training, or construction. Work code, field technician, and that key is down here, of course. Hours, 1.5 at this location, and I drove 110 miles to get there, and all this will populate down here for you. So now, a couple ways here that you can do this. The easiest way I think for me to do it, kind of what I'm learning, is I'm just going to go to my phone and I'm going to scan under our Nextcloud account, and I'm going to just scan this document and save it to the files. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to shrink this down a little bit so I can get my good picture in here. And then I'll be going to my Nextcloud account, go to my timesheet, the timesheets that I want to save it under, hit the plus button down in the bottom of the screen. Then you'll want to scan the document, and then once you do that, then it'll try to center, it'll scan. You just simply hit next to edit that scan. You can do it in black and white, or you can leave some blue colors in there, whatever you can do to enhance that and make it look better or worse. and then click done. Once you do that, then it'll save, bring that file up for you to take a look at. You can drag it down in there and save it. Alright, and once you do that, you just click save, and it tells you which file it's going to. If you want to make the quality a little bit better, you'll find your guys will find your own best way to do that, and then click save. Alright, I hope that helps. Of course, if you guys have any questions, please let me know. We'll get it all taken care of and get it squared away. Thanks.